The critical need to conserve our global supply of water has drawn worldwide attention to the importance of achieving a more efficient use of water resources, particularly in agriculture, to increase crop yields and achieve world food security.
Certainly the importance in the efficient use of water continues to grow. What we've seen in recent years is as the population has expanded, so has the need for efficient use of freshwater resources. The FAO has put out a study in, I think it was in 2009, that stated that in order to meet the global population requirements by 2050, we'll need to have 70% more food production. In order for that to happen, we have to have efficient use of water resources.
A major share of the world's water resources is used in agriculture. Because food requirements are increasing and global water resources are limited, irrigated agriculture and the role of efficient irrigation systems have recently assumed greater importance than ever before.
As the population has grown, we've seen the need for increased food production to meet that population growth. In addition, we've seen significant movements in many countries to the population growing in the middle class category. And as that's happened, their dietary needs have also changed and their dietary habits have changed. So in that process, the need for more food production, more beef, more protein has changed significantly. We'll continue to see that in future years as well as the population continues to grow and we see more people moving to middle class.
Lindsay Corporation, a worldwide leader in efficient irrigation solutions and creators of the Zematic Center Pivot, offers proven irrigation systems and products that are built strong, last long, and are easy for growers to use.
Our first pivot, built in 1969, is still up and operating. The Zematic Pivot has the strongest pipeline in the industry. So it is designed and built to last longer. A good pivot should last you 20 plus years given normal water conditions. There are other technical items in the pivot itself that make it a superior product. But what I feel differentiates Lindsay and makes us outstanding is our technology and how we've integrated that technology into the user's ability to interface with all of our different add-on products. In addition to the product itself, then we also have an excellent dealer network, which is the backbone of how we go to market.
Over 100,000 of Lindsay's Zematic systems irrigate over 12 million acres of crops in more than 90 countries, spreading out on almost every continent across the globe.
Lindsay Manufacturing was founded in the small town of Lindsay, Nebraska in 1955 by Paul Zimmer. Paul worked out of his garage and the first irrigation product he made was a movable tow line irrigation system. Then in the late 60s, Art, his son, designed one of the first, if not the first, electric pivot. Pivot number 1, built in 1969, is still working outside the town of Lindsay. Lindsay Manufacturing was eventually bought by DeKalb, then later on was spun off as a New York Stock Exchange company and is now known as Lindsay Corporation.
Growers can mix and match components to build their own unique systems that maximizes time, reduces labor, and saves water and energy costs.
Well, because Lindsay is a full line and they have different models of pivot, they have corner machines, they have laterals, we have different options to go with them as far as flotation with tires, as far as types of sprinklers. We can offer a complete variety, and then we come in with our main panels and we offer the 3 different main panels along with field net and even with the VRI packages, which are just starting to become adapted out in the regular farmers' fields. And with all that complete line, we can usually meet every customer's needs.
Growers around the world rely on Lindsay's innovative technology, supported by a network of knowledgeable dealers, to add value, reduce risk, and take full advantage of every growing season.
The key is that the customer is successful. So the dealer helps the customer at the very beginning select the right products for the application that they're using their equipment. The dealer will also provide the installation and train the end user on proper use of the product, and then support the product at the end so that year over year that customer is gaining the benefit that they intended when they purchased the product.
From pumping systems to soil moisture sensors, advanced controls, precision variable rate irrigation, and GPS positioning, Lindsay offers products for every grower and every field.
FieldNet is a wireless and web-based irrigation management solution. It also has supporting apps for smartphone and tablet devices, and it's a very easy to use product that integrates the equipment in the field and the people that use that equipment. One of the key differentiators with FieldNet is the user experience. FieldNet is viewed as the easiest to use, most intuitive and most elegant product on the market today. So if you're a grower that whether you have a smaller operation or a very large scale operation, FieldNet will provide you integrated products, real-time alerts to keep you informed at all times, reporting with everything that is being monitored within the system.
I'm going on vacation this weekend, and as it looks, we're gonna have all the pivots running, and I'll be able to just take my iPad with me and monitor and make all the changes that I need.
The other thing I see is everybody's going to eat. So I think the farming economy, although it'll have its ups and downs, will never have the downs it once had before, because there's just too much population in the world, and that's why I think we're in a great industry for sustainability and for growth.
For more information, visit www.lindsay.com or call 1-800-829-5300.